guys, Betty again over at Veurink's RV in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Here to talk about the Durango half-ton 290 RLT. This fifth wheel is 34.5 feet long, weighs in at 9130. Let's take a quick peek. Outside we've got magnetic catches, beautiful storage underneath, the Bluetooth speaker which you can take with you as you go, and metal slam latch handles. Solid step, beautiful awning, covers just about the whole side. Outdoor griddle. And around back we've got a ladder and a 3000 tow package, so you can hook up your small SUV or car and take it with you. Okay, now we're inside. We get to see all of the new updates for the 2022 290 RLT. Come on, let's go take a peek at the living room. You've got opposing slides, both trifold sofas, so you can sleep lots of extra guests. In the rear, you've got a beautiful 60-inch TV, focal point fireplace that does provide heat, sound bar, and lots of storage. Mom and Dad get the best seat of the house. They've got power reclining theater seating, cup holders, heat, massage, the works. Enjoy yourself while you get to relax. All right, now to the kitchen. You've got a dual 12-volt and propane refrigerator, fully wrapped countertops, no seams, lots of storage for all of your needs, trifold 3-burner cooktop range, and a beautiful convection microwave oven. Beautiful stainless steel sink with the cover. And again, plenty of storage. One of the greatest things about this is this gather height dining table. This works as my office. As I'm traveling on the road, I can do all my work right here. We're gonna go to the bathroom and then the bedroom. All right, now we're in the great bathroom. You've got ample storage underneath your vanity with the stainless steel sink, storage to the left of it, beautiful surround in the shower with the easy closed door, and a porcelain toilet. In the bedroom, you've got a beautiful queen-size sleeping area, dual nightstands, ample storage up above and on both sides, a full wardrobe for all of your camping and workwear. Behind me here, we also have a prep for a washer and dryer or additional storage. This particular model has dual AC, so you've got one here in the sleeping quarters and one up front in the main cabin. Well, again, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the new 2022 updates of the 290 RLT half-ton towable Durango. If you have any questions, please give me a call at Veurink's RV in Grand Rapids, 616-965-9629.